What is up, my dudes? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't seen the video that I posted previously where I went out into the wilderness with my girl Kayla doing off-road camping stuff, if you've seen that, great. Here we are learning how to do sunshades for your Ford Bronco Sport. You could find other DIYs out there on how to make, your own sunshades. You can even buy a full set from WeatherTech, I believe, for like $150 something US. I don't know how well they fit, and I have really constrained budget and time. DIY, yay. It's fairly easy, fairly cheap. This is just more like a prototype. I was kind of in a hurry to do this. Actually, no, not really. It's just that I did not want to do it, but I had to for the sake of camping. So here we go, let's go.
So first step is to get the shape of your windows. Get any paper at your disposal, preferably scrap papers, and use medium tip marker to get the shape. Do this on all windows on one side, and then if you can, the windshield and the rear window. If you're like me and you're working outside where it's windy, just give up trying. So after getting the initial shape, cut it into pieces. I recommend getting the shape of the windshield and the rear window from the inside of the vehicle, but be very careful. But if you're like me who's lazy, I grabbed templates of the shapes online and printed them. P.S. They were not perfect. To make your sunshade, you'll need Reflectix, which is a bubble pack insulation. This one is 48 inch by 10 feet, and it will be enough to cover all of the windows. Tape the sides of your paper templates onto the surface and start tracing. Pro tip, make sure you transfer the shapes before cutting. I planned this out already, so I know for a fact that it will be enough. Now you've cut all of your pieces. Go out there and test them out. Great thing about Reflectix is that it's sturdy and flexible. Sure, you can do this with cardboard, but that won't last long. My rear quarter window was too short, so I'll have to redo that. The rear window defroster wires are in the way, so just take note of that. I knew that the windshield was not perfect, so I just have to cut in the middle and fix it later. And if everything fits, you're done. But if you want to make it a bit more upscale, I bought a king-size black flat sheet from Walmart. This will be enough to cover both sides of each sunshade. So again, trace your shapes onto the flat sheet with a white crayon or colored pencil. After you've cut everything, I'm using 3M Super 77 Classic Spray Adhesive to glue the fabric to the Reflectix. Follow the instructions of the can and make sure you're putting on the right side so you don't fumble. I'm trimming the excess fabric because I had something previously planned, but I got lazy, so there's that.
So if you learned anything, or if you thought that doing a DIY sunshade is a good idea and doing the entire 360 Windows sunshade, 360 sunshade, yeah, hit the like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and then the bell so you know when I'm going to be releasing new content. And I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.